Okay, so now that we've finally logged into Verge and we know how to get here, the first thing I'm going to go over is finding your curriculum. You know, before you can start making your lesson plans, it's very important that we know, well, what are we basing these off? So we're going to go here to courses, and you are going to want to find curriculum community. Now, if you don't see it, you can of course scroll, but the best thing to do if you don't see everything, click on all courses. Now, during the training, Ms. Pels pointed out something very important. If you look, we have a ton of courses. So if you want one of these courses to show up at the top, use your little golden stars here. You put a gold star on it, and it'll be some of the first ones to show up, so you don't have to deal with searching all the time. So this video is about curriculum, so we're going to go to curriculum community. Now, just in case you don't know, the first 2 weeks of school are going to be based on the COLP bridge content, and this is where you can find it as well. So we're going to click resources, and to the left it's broken down into all your different subjects. So the first thing I want to show you is the COLP bridge program. This is the 2020-2021 COLP bridge content. So we're going to click that. It's then broken down into your subject. So since I teach social studies, I would go to social studies. We're in middle school, and then I would click 6th grade, and it will show you the curriculum at a glance, which is nice to see because that will show you, you know, kind of pacing wise, the first few meetings that you have as a content. This is probably the document you guys should be looking at. You know, how are we going to pace out all of these lessons together? And this breaks it down into how many weeks. And so the first 2 weeks, as you can see, you know, we can make this bigger, but the first 2 weeks are right here, August 3rd through the 7th, and then August 10th through the 14th. This is going to be our COLP. All right, and then this is the regular, how the rest of the year would play out, and it's broken down into weeks. All right. Another thing that's important here is your regular content. So I teach social studies, so I'm going to click on social studies. I'm going to go to my grade, and it's broken down into units, and this is helpful just if you want to see, you know, some extra ideas. They do have some, you know, activities already planned. They are for more traditional style of teaching, so you might have to adapt them, but it would be important to just go through. If you're brand new, you know, they might have some resources that you could use, and so that would be a good spot to go get your curriculum. All right, so the next video will be on communication and groups.